Well, we out here exploring the woods, out here by the alligator pond. Gotta try to keep them away from the edge. It is plenty alligators out there, and they hard to see. The water's so murky. They just found a 10-footer out here. That's why when I come back here, I have to keep my dog away from the edge. And I always got my pistol. When they got damn alligator come up here and grab one of these, I'm gonna shoot them 50 times. Nah, but I gotta, you see, it's the bank. People come out here and fish, big brim. Come here, get up here, get up here, get your butt up here. Come here, come on. Come on, bud. Come here. She just had 12 puppies. All of them came out stillborn. I had the animal shelter come to my house. Get up here! I had the animal shelter come to my house, confiscate my dogs for nothing. They gave her a border-teller shot, vaccination, killed my puppies. So I went down there and put a good lawsuit on 3 of the employees, illegally removing my dogs without any complaints of abuse, neglect, no water, shelter, etc. You know, it came in my house. I went to jail for a misdemeanor, stayed in jail for 10 hours, got out, my doors locked up, and my dog go, get up here! So I went and sued everybody. Something that people think a lot of people won't do is sue. You know, my dogs, my whole litter. I had took $1,000 worth of deposit, had to give all the money back. Glad I didn't spend it. Get in here, get over here. Where you going? Yeah, but this alligator, the alligator pond, they found a 7-footer and a 10-footer in here. Look at this dummy. You steady going, get up here before I kick you in the water. You can see this water is so murky, you can't see nothing. Them alligators lay all up here on the bank. Come in the morning, early in the morning, like 7. They up on the bank, little one and big one. I seen 5 back here. I seen one back there in this area, this little pond back, this little stream pond back here. I seen one, it was about 8 feet. And they fast too. But most of the time, if you come back here and they see people, they run in and hit the water. So I just don't go out there sitting like in that chair. I wouldn't dare sit right there. No way. There is no way possible I would sit down there in that chair talking about catching no fish. Leave that fish in that pond, let them alligators catch it. There's a lot of them out here. A lot of them. Take them to get them exercise, get them out. He been fighting on the yard with my other dog. See his face. Got a few bruises on his leg. Up here. I don't know what's in that brush. dog food out here in the water. And them fish ate that shit like it was fish they would eat. Get up here, man. Get the fuck up here. Why you keep going down there? But yeah, YouTube, this is what I do. But dog, get them exercise. Normally be rabbits back here. They chase rabbits. They be chasing rabbits, coons. Killed a couple coons back here. That's what they probably looking for. They don't call now. They don't go. They would go in that water. They would jump in that water if I let them. They're not scared of the water. I can tell you that. This dog right here so athletic. He scaled 10 feet up a wall and grabbed a coon skin. We had a coon skin on the wall on a platform, and we had it up like 10. It was probably a little higher than that, probably like 10 and a half, 11 feet. He scaled right up there and got it. I was gonna put him in some competitions, scaling competitions, going up walls and stuff. But I don't know where I could sign him up to do it. I might just have him scale up up the wall and grab something and just put it on YouTube. But they very athletic, both of them, brother and sister. Very athletic, very game dogs, I can tell you that. I done put them to the test. I put all of them to the test. Make sure I got some good quality on my yard. But these are only dogs I can bring them around. If they see a dog right now, they gonna go right at them. But it ain't no dogs out here, so. Well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video.